this algorithm as what we call pseudocode, which is a formal version of English that we make a lot of use of. So here we have two input variables, if you like, hours and rate, and one output variable, pay. So here's our algorithm in pseudocode. We first input the information we need, which basically initializes our data, our variables, or gives them a value. And then we do one of two things depending on the value of hours. If it's less than or equal to 40, then it's a simple calculation. Otherwise, or else, we do the overtime calculation. In all cases, one of those things is calculated, and you'll notice that we deal with one situation where they've worked with 40 or fewer hours with a specific condition, and then let the else deal with everything else. And this is a very powerful structure as it allows us to generalize the algorithm to many possible inputs. And we then print out the value of pay that we've just calculated. So this is the output of the algorithm. Of course, we don't have to print it out. We can pass it on to another component of the program or whatever, but we'll talk more about that later on. So pseudocode is a compromise between loose English and very formal and precise code. It's meant to be reasonably specific without necessarily tying it to any one specific programming language. So we can use basic constructs such as if, else, which can be translated into the specific syntax of pretty much any programming language. So if you want more discussion on how pseudocode works, click the More Info link. Otherwise, click on the Continue link.